METATRADER4 winning strategy. This strategy is meant for METATRADER4 and not METATRADER5. You cannot use this on the right platform. This is a simple strategy and I've combined few indicators together. Before you take any trade, make sure you always check Forex Factory to see if there is news for any pairs you want to trade, and it is advisable that you stay away from the news, from any pairs that has news for that particular time, either 30 minutes before and 30 minutes after, if you do not want to trade the news, so that it will not affect your technical analysis. This strategy is made up of few forex tools or indicators I've combined together. It is simple and you can use it on any time frame you want. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you do so, and do not forget to give me a thumb up. That's the only thing I need from you. The download link to all the indicators I use for this particular strategy is in the video description. Make sure you check it out and download it. Welcome to Profiting Forex Trading channel. Now let me show you how to use these few indicators that I've combined together. I have only 3 indicators on my chart here, and I will show you how to use this particular strategy. Now this indicator do not repeat when the candle close. Always allow the candle to close before you place your trade. And I have a moving average here also, and I have this indicator that do predict the end of a trend, and I use this in combination with the arrows here. Number one thing I have to look out for, this must be present. This must be present, and after this the candle must close below these moving averages, and followed by this arrow. The red arrow is for sale. Then you can place your trade when we have these 3 indicators in agreement, and your stop loss will just be few pips above the previous high, and your take profit can be 1-to-1 reward ratio. All depends on you. And the last indicator I have on the chart here is this grid indicator, and this serves as a support or resistance zone. So make sure you are mindful of this particular zone when you want to trade. And then now another thing you have to look out for is if this trend is coming from a resistance or support zone. Here we have a resistance zone here coming from this particular point. So this is a valid signal, and if you want to place any trade, make sure it is not close to the next zone. If it is close, I advise that you stay away or you allow it to break, or better still, you can enter with small lot size. And that's why we see this action here at this particular zone, because this is a resistance zone here, and it tried to break and move up again, and finally breaks away from this particular point. And this is how to use these indicators that I've combined together. It is simple, and anyone can use it. And when you take your trade, your take profits will be the next zone. For said this is another zone. Yes, will be targeting. These are the major zone. And here we have a buy arrow here coming from this support zone. Rather, we have this arrow, but something was missing. This indicator that predict the end of the trend is missing. So this particular trade or setup is invalid. It's invalid. We have few indicators in agreement, but I said it must be coming from this. This indicator must be present, predicting the ends of this trend. If this is missing, then this is not a valid trade, and from this point we have a continuation from the main trend. Here is a continuation. This is how to know if the signal will deliver or not. As we can see here, it did not deliver because this indicator was missing here, and so it did not deliver. This is how to know or to filter out good setup from bad setup. Make sure you are mindful of every single indicators for this particular strategy. And here is it on the 5-minute time frame. You can use it on any minute you want. This is good for scalping also. So let's check it out on 1-minute time frame. Here is it on 1-minute time frame. We have more win than the loss. You can use it on any time frame. It is good for scalping also. And that was why I showed you on 15-minute time frame. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you subscribe so you can check the history and see how well it worked for you or what time frame you want to use. As I said, it can be used on any time frame you want. And here is it on the 30-minute time frame. You can use this indicator alone, or you combine it with other indicators so that it will filter out some of the fake out signal that was generated, so that we have like a 98% winning rate. Here's it on 30 minutes, and this is a good setup also on 30 minutes. So just make sure you check it out and see if it worked well for you. Make sure you trade on a demo account. In my video description, I dropped some links to register with some of the brokers that I do use of, and I do not have issue trading with them, with this Forex broker. So you can register with any of the brokers that I dropped in my video description, and make sure you practice on demo account. And this strategy is for METATRADER4 and not METATRADER5. You cannot use this on the Rive platform. Make sure you check it out. You can use this particular strategy to trade on any pairs you want, like US30, US Tech, Euro USD. You can use it on gold. You can use this on indices also, like US Tech, as I've said. You can use this to trade a cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, ETC, Ethereum, Doji, and Litecoin, and many. As long as you have it on your platform, on your MT4, you can trade it. So make sure you check it out, and make sure you follow the simple rule. All the indicators are in the video description, and I do include my template also. Make sure you use it so that we have a chart like mine. I do not want to go over the setting of each indicator, but when you use my template, you have the same chart like mine. I think that is better and easier for everyone. I do not want to keep this YouTube video very long. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you do so and give me a thumb up. Till I come your way again, remember, this is meant for METATRADER4, and bye for now.